Hello friends, welcome back. Computer vision concepts are not finished yet. It just started. So now we have another interesting topic is called detection of object real time. In the last session, we walked through how we detect the object using YOLO model. We load the YOLO model and how we detect object in the image and then draw the boundary boxes, provide the confidence percentage, what is the confidence level for the detection of an object inside the image. But now we have another stage. The another stage is detecting real time. This is you can use in the industry. In the video you can detect the object, isn't it? Let's see together. So for this I prepared a program. How this looks like? Here I have YOLO ONNX. This is basically used. This class is used for what? This class is used for detecting and drawing a boundary in a image. So image is what? In the video we will take the frames, and for each frame I will draw, or we will draw image. Let's have look on it. Okay, let me turn off my video because I'm going to show you something very interesting. The interesting is this is a new class I created, YOLO real-time detection. What I use here, I use the YOLO 11 model, so it's up to you. You can use YOLO 8, and as you can see over here, 8 and 11 I have. So I used YOLO 11 and then video capture. Okay, there is important thing you need to note it down, because those library you have to, the NuGet package you need to add first before you start working on it. OpenCV Sharp 4, OpenCV Sharp 4 extension, and OpenCV 4 runtime. What is OpenCV? OpenCV is a computer vision library for ML.NET, for .NET, which offer computer vision capability to us. So here we, this first line means I need to load the model in my class, then we capture video. So those are video indexes, webcam indexes in your laptop or whatever device you use. So you can use 0 1. So how many cameras you have? Let's say I use 0 means default camera or default webcam will use. Just simply to, for the sake of confidence, if your webcam is not open, then you can exit from the code. So here this is reading the image. What I did here, it's reading a frame. So the frame size is 30 okay, 30 pixels generally, the size. So it's reading the frame, and then for those frames it's converting frame into bitmap. And now you already know, because our the last program, this is also taking a bitmap. So what I'm doing here, I'm converting bitmap from video, means taking a frame from video and convert a frame into bitmap. So this is using bitmap converter. That's a part of OpenCV Sharp, because you need to use this library. And then once bitmap is created, so it's easy for me. What? Because I can easily detect and overlay, because this is the method which already we created in this class, detect and overlay. So here I'm detecting and overlaying, isn't it? Detect and overlay, and then pass on to this. So this overlay will be passed on to show mat show, and then cv2. This is method computer vision 2 dot image show, and we can show this. And when you press escape, it will exit. That's all. Let's look at this. This is the real time. Yeah, we will see how we can detect the model in the real time. That's why we use YOLO. YOLO is a faster as compared to ResNet. I will also record one session where I will explain and give you the details, pros, cons, where we can use ResNet, where we can use YOLO, where we can use MobileNet. So that would be the complete theoretical part I will show you in the next session or coming session. So let's have a look for this now. Let me run it. You will see. So it will invoke first webcam. Oh, got it. So this is first webcam is invoked. Can you see over here? It's detecting person. Let me do this. So it is detecting this is my tie. All right. Okay, person. Fine. Now let me add another object. Show it's the another object to this. Okay. Let's see. Right. That's cell phone. Let me show it to chair. It is detecting correct. It's detecting chair and then give the ratio as well. Fantastic. Let me show this to diary. How it looks like. Is it detect? It's detect in this way. Right. So maybe we can show something to this model. Let's see. This is device. Okay. So it's up to the training. What classes is already trained by this. Okay. So this is the beauty, guys. So this model is detecting a real time. Let me change my place. Let's see the confidence ratio. Let's see, is it confidence or not? Right. Can you see? Yes, it's detecting the image. Detecting the image and say, hey, it's cheer. Let me come. So it will detect. Now it's detecting me as a person. Why? Because based on my biological terms, I'm looks at a person and it don't know who am I. Because my model was not trained on the custom data. It's trained on the common object. So the common object is detect me as a person. So that's a common object. Is it detect something? Is detect this cell phone? Let's see. Yes, it's detecting. So as soon as object comes, you know, in the region, it detect. So this is beauty. So this program, using your .NET, you can leverage ML.NET, or you can leverage the real machine learning models. So this is the detail. This is the exact deep learning. Yeah. So here we use the deep learning. Next sessions would be too much interesting, because coming forward what I will record, I will not only record this one, but we can do something else. Let's say other human emotions recording. We will use deep face. Using deep face we will record the emotions, isn't it? So going forward we'll do many interesting sessions using deep learning. So this is the real value, guys, for the deep learning. And now the .NET developers are not behind, I would say. Yeah, you are not behind. You can utilize, you can use your skills, isn't it? So this is the reality, how these things are easy nowadays, and how those things are possible. These are possible using transfer learning. So we use transfer learning. Now let me recap this overall fantastic or interesting journey for computer vision, what we did. So we use what initially, since initial what we did. Let me recap this. So let me open Excel draw, what exactly we did and how it become possible. Here you can see we load the model in the Google Colab, and from Google Colab I exported this model into ONNX format, because in the .NET ONNX runtime is supported. And then I configure ONNX runtime with our program, and once it's configured, and then we load this custom model into our ML.NET. And then what next? Then it start predicting the values, start predicting the objects from, yeah, it's detecting the objects from image. That's the overall journey. Here I like to show you something more interesting. This journey is not ended here. If you want to do more, then I'll give you another GitHub repo which is called ONNX Jew. So this repo was continue maintained by contributors. To 62 contributors maintain this repo, and here you can find many ONNX enabled model. Yeah, so many models you will find here, vision model, language models, others. So many models you can see here. Those are models are compatible to your ONX format, so you don't need to export these from using Colab or downloading a Python into your programs, but ready-made ONX format models you can use. But yes, if you want to train the image mod or YOLO models on your custom, so next session would be, I have custom problem, means my problem is something different. Let's say I belongs to industry or manufacturing industry, or I belongs to medical industry. Take an example for manufacturing industry. I belongs to manufacturing industry, and then I attach a camera on my production line, and I want to detect the problem in detect the issue in the products based on the real-time video. So the camera will record the real-time video, and you can train your model with your custom objects, and this YOLO model will detect the problem inside your object. So this is up to you. You need to provide the proper data, proper training you need to provide to model, where you can classify, if this my product image looks like this, then it will detect it as an error, or it will give me the confidence ratio, what is QC okay product and which products having problem. So n number of doors now open to you guys, because you know how you can do this, so you can utilize this. No need to use any third party trained ONX trained YOLO model pre-train. You will not train, definitely you will pre-train. So you can use pre-trained model and train on your last layer with your custom data set, and you can develop the industry level solutions, isn't it? Is it looks interesting to you guys? If you're feeling, or if you realize these sessions are really helpful for you, I'll request to subscribe and then refer to your friends. They can also learn ML, machine learning, AI using or staying in .NET only. Thank you. My mission is to train every .NET developer, and the .NET developer will be AI ready in next some months only. Once this deep learning sessions finish, I will move with Gen AI and AI agents. Thank you very much for watching my sessions. See you in the next coming session. Thank you.